Nice to meet you. My name is Sandra Garcia. I am 42 years old. I live in Sabaneta, Antioquia. I am currently in sixth semester of Bachelor in English as foreign language. This is my interview for my classmate Jessica. Do you study English in another college, university before enrolling and UNAT? Jessica is studying in Normal Superior. She studied fourth semester for becoming teacher. She's a normal superior, normalist. How long have you been learning English? White. Jessica studied learning English for 6, 7 years, more or less. She is studying English in a high school because they are very good students. But I then learn English with a teacher in a informal practice, but they're learning a lot of. What skills or abilities do you want to improve in this language course? For the answer, the Jessica is the speaking and reading. Uh, Principal speaking because it's necessary. It's very difficult and complex. The speaking English and the writing is opportunity and applications in the internet or in the moment is very difficult in the course in the speaking ability. Which productions skill written speaking do you feel the most difficult? For Jessica, the difficult skills is speaking because it's necessary audios for native English, because it's the records owens and the reading is application for internet, and you are asked for the teacher, and you more opportunities while you are learning reading. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of learning English online? For Jessica, advantage is the opportunity listen to the audios and native audios, and practice in the session speaking and the time the control. The disadvantage for the Jessica is very is necessary internet all moments, and it's very difficult the synchronizing contours because more or less interference with the internet. What your process to make the English program better? She is I like the English. She is the excellent student. She is a necessary force and speaking and learning the grammar. This is an interview for my classmate Jessica. Thank you very much.